Embark on an extraordinary journey as we delve into the captivating story of Terry Brown's 1939 Kenworth Camper, a masterpiece that seamlessly marries vintage allure with modern innovation. This remarkable vehicle stands as a testament to the art of transformation, where history and contemporary comforts intertwine to create a unique mobile sanctuary. In 1939, amidst the backdrop of a world on the brink of monumental change, Kenworth produced this robust truck, initially designed to serve the demanding needs of industry. Built with the era's characteristic durability and functionality, it was a workhorse, embodying the industrial spirit of its time. Little did anyone know that decades later, this vehicle would embark on a transformative journey, evolving into a symbol of personal vision and craftsmanship. Terry Brown, a name synonymous with innovation and a deep appreciation for automotive history, saw potential where others saw obsolescence. His passion for restoring and customizing vehicles is well documented. For instance, his metallic green Kenworth T600A, a prime example of a clean farm truck, has been featured in various publications. This background set the stage for his most ambitious project yet, transforming the 1939 Kenworth truck into a luxurious camper. The metamorphosis of the 1939 Kenworth into a camper was neither swift nor straightforward. It was a labor of love, unfolding over several years, with each phase meticulously planned and executed. Initial acquisition and assessment Year 1 to 2, Terry acquired the truck and conducted a thorough assessment of its structural integrity. Recognizing the importance of maintaining its original character, he opted for a restoration approach that honored its historical significance. Structural restoration Year 3 to 4, the truck's chassis and body were restored to their former glory. Rusted components were replaced, and the original frame was reinforced to support future modifications. Engine and mechanical upgrades Year 5 to 6, to ensure reliability and performance, the original engine was overhauled. Modern mechanical systems were integrated, including updated braking and suspension systems, enhancing safety without compromising authenticity. Camper conversion planning Year 7, collaborating with designers and engineers, Terry planned the camper conversion. The goal was to create a living space that offered modern comforts while reflecting the aesthetic of the late 1930s and early 1940s. Interior fabrication and installation Year 8 to 9, skilled craftsmen brought the vision to life, installing custom cabinetry, period-appropriate fixtures, and modern amenities discreetly integrated to preserve the vintage ambiance. Final touches and debut Year 10, after a decade of dedication, the transformed Kenworth Camper made its debut at the 2024 Wheels of Time Truck Show in Richland Center, WI, hosted by the Southern Wisconsin chapter of the American Truck Historical Society. Stepping inside the camper, one is transported to a bygone era, enveloped in an ambiance that exudes warmth and sophistication. The interior design draws inspiration from the Art Deco period, characterized by rich materials and intricate details. Woodwork and cabinetry, the use of original wooden accents, reminiscent of early 20th century craftsmanship, creates a warm and inviting atmosphere. Custom cabinetry, crafted from rich mahogany and adorned with period-appropriate hardware, offers both functionality and aesthetic appeal. Seating and upholstery, plush seating arrangements, upholstered in luxurious fabrics with geometric patterns, provide comfort and style. The color palette harmoniously blends earthy tones with vibrant accents, reflecting the design sensibilities of the 1930s. Lighting and fixtures, ambient lighting, achieved through the use of vintage-inspired sconces and chandeliers, casts a soft glow, enhancing the interior's cozy atmosphere. Chrome fixtures punctuate the design, adding a touch of vintage sophistication. Modern amenities. While maintaining its historical charm, the camper is equipped with modern conveniences such as a compact kitchenette, climate control systems, and discreetly installed entertainment options, ensuring a comfortable living experience. Comparative analysis. Similar models have been known to command impressive figures in the collector's market. For instance, a 2020 Kenworth T880 with a 180-inch RE Legacy 2RB sleeper was listed at $250,000, highlighting the substantial value associated with customized Kenworth campers. Insurance and appraisals. Professional appraisals and insurance valuations further underscore the camper's worth, considering both its intrinsic and market values. We invite you to become a part of our vibrant community, where stories like Terry Brown's 1939 Kenworth camper come to life. By subscribing, you'll join a network of enthusiasts who share a passion for preserving and celebrating automotive history. Together, we can explore the rich tapestry of vintage vehicles, uncovering the narratives that make each one unique. Join us on this journey, and let's keep the legacy of these remarkable machines alive for generations to come. Terry Brown's 1939 Kenworth camper is more than a vehicle, it's a rolling testament to the dedication, vision, and craftsmanship that breathe new life into our automotive heritage. Its journey from a 1939 industrial workhorse to a luxurious camper epitomizes the transformative power of passion and ingenuity. As we celebrate this remarkable creation, we are reminded of the timeless allure of vintage vehicles and the stories they carry, inspiring us to cherish and preserve these mechanical masterpieces for future generations.